Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to draw a curved dash line in Photoshop. Apply. First of all, step 1. Select the pen tool, close fill, stroke black. Select dash line. Caps curve. Corners curve. Okay. Then click anywhere. Hold alter. And step 2, pencil drawing. Sorry. Dash line size. Step 2, pencil drawing again. And step 3, click anywhere, hold shift, filter tab, distort, warp, follow this corner, curve. And step 4, again create a new layer, click anywhere, hold shift, right click, rasterize layer, edit tab, puppet warp, that's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.